Alright people, welcome to this PHP 7 tutorial. I think we have to talk about 2 or 3 things before we get started here. First of all, my name is Phil and I want to teach you as much as possible about PHP programming, PHP 7 to be precise. PHP 7 is a scripting language that is embedded in HTML, which is basically the language of the web. First of all, many people ask me what programming language or scripting language should I learn first? Well, that depends highly on what you want to do with it. That's the only and the best advice I can give you, is that look what you want to do and choose your language according to what you're into. For example, if you want to do game programming or something like that, you have absolutely no reason to learn PHP. Go for C++. If you want to program something like front end, and if you're more into the design kind of thing, then you should absolutely go and do HTML and CSS and maybe Photoshop. You know, that's different technologies. I started to learn PHP because I was interested in doing WordPress plugins. I like to program things that get data from somewhere. I love the feeling to program something that gets you data from a database, or that when the user inputs something, then those values get pushed into a database. I love web development, that's hence the name Web Dev Junkie, and so yeah, the language is a tool, and you should choose the tool that suits your needs, okay? If you want to do games, go for C++. If you want to go for maybe some scientific stuff or some statistical data analysis, you should go for Python. Choose the tool according to your goal. That's the best advice I can give you. Otherwise, I hope that this PHP 7 tutorial will help you. I hope that you will learn something from it. If you're all new to web development and you just start now, I might have some useful information for you. So bear with me and have a good time.